Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Physical and chemical change and processes. Our topic is chemical properties and chemical change. Chemical properties. The properties which are related with chemical reaction occurring in substance are called chemical properties. It is a property or characteristics of a substance that is observed during reaction in which chemical composition or identity of substance is changed. For example, rusting is chemical property. Iron react with moisture, oxygen and water vapor that are present in air to make a brown color substance known as rust by the process of a reaction known as rusting. So in chemical properties, new substance are formed and the characteristics of a substance are changed. The change takes place in its composition and the property of a substance are totally different from their parent atom. Chemical properties are explained by a change known as chemical change. Chemical change is a change in which the property of a substance change and new substance are formed by a chemical reaction. In chemical reaction, the formation and breaking of a substance takes place to make new one. All those changes that takes place in a substance are rusting, rotting, burning and color changes. For example, rusting of iron, it is chemical change. Rust is a new substance. The change of color, brown color. So rusting of iron is chemical change. Burning is chemical change. In burning, in the presence of oxygen, the substance burned to produce carbon dioxide, ash and water vapor. For example, burning of piece of paper is chemical change. When piece of paper burnt in the presence of oxygen, it produces carbon dioxide, ash and water vapors. New substances are formed as a result of burning, so it is chemical change. Other example of chemical change are change of milk into curd. Change of milk into curd is chemical reaction because the bacteria that are present in milk change the milk into curd. So the property and composition of milk and curd are different from each other, so it is chemical change. The next example of chemical change is digestion of food. Digestion of food is a chemical change because with the help of an enzymes they break down the large food particle into smaller and digestible food particles which are absorbed in different parts of the body with the help of these enzymes. So digestion is chemical change. The other example of chemical change is photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is a chemical process because new substances are formed as a result of photosynthesis. In this process, the green plants and the other organisms change the light energy into chemical energy, and in this process plants use carbon dioxide and water. In the presence of sunlight, it produces carbon dioxide, glucose molecules along with oxygen. So photosynthesis is chemical change. The next chemical change is respiration. Respiration is a chemical reaction in which energy is released from the breakdown of glucose molecule in the presence of oxygen. So respiration is also known as oxidation reaction. So respiration is chemical change. All these are the examples of chemical change. This is end of the lecture. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.